You are performing a two-tailed test for a population proportion with a test statistic z equals negative 2.16. Find the p-value accurate to 4 decimal places. Now, we know this is going to be a normal distribution because we're doing a test for a population proportion. I have a z-score. My test statistic was over here on the left, and it is negative 2.16. And so what I'm going to do to find my p-value is find the area to the left there. However, because it's a two-tailed test, I'm going to double it to assume that the same area is on the right. So we're going to look up negative 2.16 on the normal table, and I'll also do this using a spreadsheet. And then we'll double it to account for the two-tail test, that is the other tail. Now, if this was a positive test statistic instead of a negative test statistic, then my z-score would have been over here on the right, and I would find the area into the right tail. And then, if it was two-tail, I'd double that. So whether you find the area to the left or to the right depends on if your test statistic was negative or if it was positive. Okay, so since it's negative, we can just look up negative 2.16, and that will be the area. That'll give us the area to the left. So we're looking for negative 2.16, which gives me 0.0154. 0.0154, and then we assume, since this is a two-tailed test, we're going to double it because there would be the same amount on the other tail. So that means my p-value for this two-tailed test is 2 times 0.0154, which gives me 0.0308. Now I'm going to look this up on a normal, on a spreadsheet as well, and I'm going to use this z-score, the test statistic, to find the p-value. So I'm simply going to use the norm.s.dist, which is the standard normal distribution function for a spreadsheet, and I'm going to plug in my z-score, my test statistic, make sure I got the right one, negative 2.16, and it gives me 0.01538. But what I'm going to do is come here and say, since it's a two-tailed test, I want to double it. So my p-value is really 0.0307, which is close to what I got. 0.03077 would round to 0.0308.